Hi guys, welcome to Destination Motorhomes. My name's Tom and today I've got the privilege of showing you around this WildAx Europa XL. This is a 2026 model on an automatic with 140 brake horsepower. It's a 2026 model. We've got features such as alloy wheels, we've got the cassette toilet just on the outside here, we've got the nice flush windows as well, we've got the water filler, we've also got the boiler flue and the mains hookup. And then if you come on around the back, you will see we've got the U-shaped lounge, which does give you a decent sized little garage in the back. Now, as you look up the top, you'll see we've got the reverse camera. Now, on the roof, we also have the Motorhome Wi-Fi, TV aerial, and we've even got an awning just up the top here. Now, if you want to follow me in, I'll show you a few of the interior features. In the cab, you can see we've got the automatic gearbox. We've also got cruise control. We've got a full set of cab blinds. We've also got the USB-C points and the latest Fiat aircon and all the systems and everything like that. Now, on the left-hand side over here, you can see we've got the washroom. Now, a couple of sort of other features this van has. So you have got diesel and electric heating and hot water. Now, you've also got electronically operated grey and fresh water drainage and fresh and waste water tank heaters also fitted to this vehicle. Now, in the kitchen, you do have a handy worktop extension on the end. You've got a good sized sink, as well as two 230-volt sockets and a full-sized oven and grill. Now, also for a panel van, it's got a really good sized fridge freezer, which you can see over here, as well as the microwave at the top, which isn't standard on a lot of vehicles. Now, you'll see we've also got a lot of overhead storage, so pots and pans, anything you want to pop in there, plenty of storage in there. And then you've got the nice U-shaped lounge at the rear. As you can see, we've got the U-shaped lounge at the rear. Now, this is perfect for the rainy days. It means you can lounge in the van a lot easier, which in this country, we're going to have plenty of rain. We've also got a 12-volt point, like a TV preparation point just on the wall over here on the right-hand side. So if you did want a TV bracket fitting, you can watch your TV in the rear. You've also got blinds and fly screens all round. You've got lights at the rear that do dimmer, and they've also got handy USB points just in the side there as well for charging phones. Now, we will also make up the bed, so you can have a look at that. In the rear of the vehicle, you can see we've got this nice big double bed. Now, this is perfect for a vehicle of this size. Now, if you do want any more information on this vehicle, please feel free to check out our website, destinationmotorhomes.co.uk, or pop in and say hello.